Get ready! It's Dorky Girl vlog time! Oh yeah! Welcome to the story of my life, year 4. Be free! Be free! Be free! Oh no, are you hurt? I think he's hurt. Are you hurt? I think he's hurt. Gonna try to save a dragonfly. Morning, internet. Out shopping with Chris.
Where do you find pliers?
We just went to the bookstore, now we're in the arts and crafts store. What are we in here for?
Plaster, and I just remembered I want a good compass. Like drawing circles.
Yeah,
Spinnies.
that. And then we're going and getting ice cream, and then we're gonna meet with Keely and then a bunch of other people, and we're gonna have a bonfire tonight. It'll be fun times. Following Chris.
Sure that's a smart move?
Yeah, it's a smart move.
Ooh, brushes.
This is what Chris is looking at.
Okay.
And I'm spinning in circles because I have no idea what direction Chris is going in.
Yeah, me neither.
This is what it's like shopping with Chris. Bonfire time.
It's going.
Chris is lighting it. I'm lighting it.
Burn, baby, burn.
Oh no, my thing's going out because the wind. What the heck's by my butt?
I saw nothing, man.
It was like right below, but...
Oh, lag. Let's put this right on top.
Say, get that thing lit. Or take it out of the package, Shelby.
No, we'll go up.
Are you supposed to throw the whole thing in?
What is that? One of those fire
Sure.
rods?
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright, I
nice.
guess it's gonna work.
It'll work.
Born to be together, born to be together. You took my arm.
We're gonna get smoked out. Cecil over here filling gasoline with little bottles.
Energy grenade. Here, actually, you cap it. Just be careful.
Where's the...
that guy? I don't know what they'll do because I never did this before, so...
Wonderful.
I just say don't be right next to it when you throw it in.
Alright, we'll all back up. Just tell people before you throw it in.
Yeah, definitely.
Shh, and look at the fire. This shit's about to blow. Look at that sky. It's beautiful. I know, right? It's awesome.
See it? Look at it through this shit. The sky is just
The sand looks so funny through the fire. Ah! Dodging fire.
It just blurs it out a little bit, but it looks so sick.
Seth's like in the fire. You guys just don't even know.
Oh, this is nice.
It's awesome. We're gonna get this thing awesome. In an energy shot. Everyone should back up. Chris, I would back up.
Oh, hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on, give me 5 seconds here.
1,
No, don't count for
2.
me.
Cow, he's a good Russian dude.
They're way over there.
3.
2.
Hold on, no. I'm trying to get my camera. It's a good thing. Hold on.
Come on,
No, I'm
Bradford.
sending it to somebody else. And probably to not come.
Hurry up, Brad. My battery's gonna die.
Okay.
Throw it in.
No, I'm not ready yet.
He threw it in.
Action.
He threw it in.
Where's your shattering taboo?
I don't know.
I'm scared. Is it gonna be like that sonic boom that one time?
I don't know. I think that was it.
That was it? boring. I waited all that time for that.
Yep.
We all
that was
gave
it.
up.
At least we don't have to run away from it.
Nothing happened, but if we throw in one of these, something might happen. Alright, so Seth's gonna throw one of these lighters in. Throw it in?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, lighter.
Yeah, I'm just gonna lay him down.
All three? Guys, you might want to back up a little bit. 3 lighters. Boom. It's gonna be so loud, I'm scared. The grenades do not work. Last time you threw a lighter in, it took like an hour. I'm surprised it didn't do it.
It was a full nut. You need like a full lighter first.
Okay. Ray found a firefly. Oh, I thought you were gonna jump it. What's up, guys? What are you bitches doing? Talking.
We're talking. You know?
They're putting the tree on. Tree. Seth's got like this huge light over there. This bitch is on fire! Hey, I can see everybody. They're like, shit, I gotta back up. Hold on, let me shield my eyes real quick.
It doesn't last, but it's nice.
Pussy's backing up. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, who turned on the sun? Somebody turn the sun on. It's the middle of the night. Somebody turn it on.
Chris is like, someone turn the sun on. What? It's awesome.
I feel like
That was fun, trying to blow stuff up with my friends. That's what it basically turned into. It was really, really fun though, and it was chill. I'm gonna go to bed now. It made me feel a lot better today, and my sister-in-law still didn't pop. No baby yet. So we shall see what tomorrow brings. I'll keep you guys posted. I love you guys. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. I love you guys. Bye!